Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Mallory Performance in Leicester. So we're offering something a little bit special for you guys now. We're actually offering a full customizable steering wheel for any of your cars. So you are able to design and customize your own steering wheel for any car. This is the steering wheel that we've designed, which is exactly the same size as the standard BMW M2 steering wheel. So we have gone for the full carbon surround on the steering wheel, the flat bottom, which is an optional extra, the Alcantara grips on the side, going along with the Mallory Performance orange stitching, along with the orange centre line as well. Now this is going to look real good once fitted. So first step is to disconnect the battery in the boot, and let's move on with fitting it. So firstly we have to remove the airbag. Then we're going to disconnect a few connections inside the steering wheel before loosening the bolt which connects the steering wheel to the steering column. Now we have to transfer all of the parts off the standard steering wheel and change them onto the new carbon steering wheel. Now the new carbon steering wheel is actually a standard BMW M2 steering wheel. It's just completely redesigned with the Alcantara, the carbon and the flat bottom. You can see in this shot here the difference between the two steering wheels. Now it's time to refit the steering wheel, do everything you've just seen but in reverse. Connect the airbag back up and you should be good to go. And there we have it guys, the new Mallory Performance BMW M2 steering wheel, which was fully customised here at Mallory Performance. Remember, if you're looking to have a customised steering wheel, don't forget to get in contact with us or visit shop.mallory-performance.com to grab your own steering wheel. There are loads of different options which are available for your car. You don't have to have the flat bottom, although that is an option. You can have forged carbon or you can have gloss carbon, Alcantara, choose your stitching. But it's now time to connect up the battery, test out this steering wheel and enjoy it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.